Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Cookies in Steam. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about cookies in Steam. The cookies in Steam is the one that sometimes makes your Steam a little bit laggier when you're playing games or when you're opening a game. Or sometimes cookies in Steam can add to your additional MB or gigabyte or space to your computer, and sometimes you don't want that. So to choose or to remove or to reject some cookies, I'm going to teach you in this video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Steam right here. Once you open up your screen, click on your profile on the top right, then click on account details. After clicking on account details, go down until you see cookies and browsing. After clicking on cookies and browsing, here are the options that you can do when you're using your cookies. So right now, to to choose which cookie you want, just read here. As I can see recent tabs, you can either just off it or maybe this one, off it, or this one third party, off it. You don't want this to just off it, and you can choose which one to on, just leave it on and off as any of this as you want. And you can see right here too, you can choose this one too to on and off it, or maybe just leave it all on if you want. So the cookies will give you a little bit good experience when you're using Steam, but sometimes you don't actually need them. So like this one right here, cookies placed by my video team. You don't really need this that much, so we can just off it. And YouTube, we don't need that much, and also this one, don't need that much. So yeah, I recommend just closing these three. And a little bit tip for you guys, if I was you, my biggest tip is just check all. So yeah, once I rejected all, it just closes everything, every cookies right here. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something in Kids in Steam. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.